Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of walking palm trees. Yes, you heard it right, trees that can actually walk. Palm tree sparkles. So, what exactly are these incredible botanical wonders? Well, walking palm trees, scientifically known as Socratia oryza, are native to the rainforests of Central and South America. Unlike regular trees, they possess a unique ability to move and reposition themselves over time. Here's how it works. Walking palm trees have specialized roots that grow from their trunks. These roots expand in the direction they want to move, allowing the tree to gradually shift its position. It's like having built-in legs. But why do they do this? Well, walking palm trees have an incredible survival strategy. By moving towards sunlight gaps in the dense rainforest canopy, they can optimize their exposure to sunlight for photosynthesis and ensure their growth and survival. Now, you might be wondering how these trees manage to move without toppling over. It all comes down to balance and flexibility. Walking palm trees have an incredibly sturdy trunk and a unique fiber structure that allows them to bend and sway with the wind while maintaining stability. It's truly mind-blowing how nature has designed these botanical acrobats. But remember, their movement is extremely slow, taking several years or even decades to shift just a few meters. Imagine stumbling upon these wandering trees while exploring the rainforest. It's like witnessing a real-life natural spectacle. So, next time you're in the rainforest or even just learning about the wonders of nature, keep an eye out for these incredible walking palm trees. They remind us that even the seemingly immobile can find a way to adapt and explore their surroundings. That's it for today's adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content.